Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 7T, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device and remove a screen lock on top of it. So, as you will see, I already have a screen lock. So, we're going to proceed as though I don't know it. So you want to begin by powering off the device, hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume down, so power, volume down. Both of those keys at the same time. You'll feel a vibration and then you can let go. And you should be now in the recovery mode. So from here you'll see that it wants you to confirm a pattern to get further to the recovery mode, but you can just press forget password and then you will lose everything, music, pictures, etc. It will remove basically everything that you have on the phone, everything that you have put on the phone, so music, media, downloads, any kind of contacts, logs, anything. So once you're comfortable, you can just tap on OK. And this cannot be undone, continue, OK. And now the process begins. Now it's a fairly short one, it just takes about a couple of minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. Now I'm going to go through a fairly quick one just to show that it all works. I'm basically going to skip through most of this. Now if you were logged into Google, you'll also need to confirm your Google password to the setup. So it will basically tell you to log in with the email and password for that email associated with Google account. And you also need to connect to Wi-Fi to basically verify your identity. And then you can skip through most of this as I am right now. There we go. So now the process is finished. And if I unlock the device and unlock it, you can see there is no more passcode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.